Alam mo, Charo? Yeah. Talaga ko. Hello! Okay na, pwede na mag-explain? No. Just... Yeah. Okay. Ikaw na mag-discuss. No, you. Sige. Wait. Ayusin ko yung camera. Tayo lang. Okay. Meron kami... So, I'm Kendra. Sino ka? Tao ako. Sino ka nga? Ano pangalan mo? Ken ka sa Daddy Sanchez. O, ba't kailangan ko sabi? Okay. I don't want to do this film anymore, guys. So we do videos lately. We do shorts, and every time we ask them like this, and they pick no. For all the haters around us. Can you stop? 70% of haters like girl. 66% haters out there. And you just put them down. Bitch, I wanna fight you right now. So stop, leave our channel, leave us alone. So stop. We don't care. It's rude. So all the haters out there, shushu go away, or I'm gonna give you the antibac.